right, so for this problem, we have these three functions, f of x, g of x, and h of x. What we need to do is we need to find f plus g of x and the domain for it. So the first thing we need to look at is this function composition. What f plus g of x means is that we are taking our function f of x and are adding our g of x function to it. So all we're doing is we take x squared minus 2x plus, I'll just keep it in parentheses for the time being, 3x minus 4. Then we need to combine our like terms. That gives us x squared, negative 2 and 1 is plus an x minus 4. And that right there is f plus g of x. It is as quick as that. And the domain, we need to look at the domain for this combined composition function. So we need to look at the domain of f of x and the domain of g of x, which in both of these cases, they are all real numbers. And we can actually write this as or negative infinity to positive infinity. It's that interval. Those are equivalent, and I will take either of those for response.